Alright guys, I'm vacuuming my AC system and regassing it today because I've replaced the AC condenser. What you will need is the manifold gouge and vacuum pump, and the way it works is the blue one connects to the low pressure side, the red one connects to the high pressure side of AC system, and the one in the middle, the yellow one, connects to the vacuum pump. With the gouges over here, first you have them closed, screwed in completely. Once you've connected everything, the connectors on the AC system should be in a closed position. At the top, gouge should be opened on both sides, and before you open it, you start your vacuum pump to work and then open it. What it will do is start sucking the air out of it. You leave it for at least 1 hour. You can leave it for longer, it's not gonna hurt. Once you come back, you should see the reading of -1. Before you shut the vacuum pump, you close both ends. So screw it in properly, close both ends so no air comes into the system after you shut it, and then switch off your vacuum pump. At this stage, you leave it for around 1 hour at least to see if it drops back to 0. It means you still have an air leak somewhere. Okay, to regas the system, you buy appropriate refrigerant gas, and both sides, high and low pressure, should be closed at the moment. Before you start releasing gas into the system, put AC on full blast. So let's start it. AC on full blast, low. Okay, now we screw this in to let the gas in the system and start opening the low pressure side. Here it is, it's open. And it has to go between 35 and 45 psi. So all you do is shake like that until it's all in. Shake it, shake it, shake it. You can see that the gas is coming in through this little gap. Okay, all the gas is in. I've shut the gouge, the low pressure one, and now all the gas is in. It's all good. Before you disconnect it, open the valves over here so the pin is not pushing. So it's closed, open it up. So that's open now. You can disconnect it. Put the cap on. Same with another side. And yeah, it's all done. If you want to check how to change AC condenser, check my another video. Thanks for watching.